In this incredible 17-part series, we take you down a Blender workflow deep dive by using mostly free open source software like Blender, Google Maps, and Panui. You'll learn how to create a stunning 360-degree virtual tour just like this. So, grab yourself a cuppa and let's get stuck in. This is Lesson 2, Image Manipulation with Photoshop, Part 1. So this is the Photoshop part of this. What I do is I'll quickly just kind of, as I said, you can do this in any photo imaging thing, but I use Photoshop, so I'm just going to quickly just make a, that's in case I mess up, I'll always store a copy of this one. And all it is really is just kind of making sure this is all straightened out, and then I'll do is I'll build all the different buildings and just stitch them together and come down. So this is really just to kind of get everything lined up. So I'll just come down with my guides, just get a basic idea why I want them, and come in here. It's fairly simple, just to get an idea of where I want everything, and then I don't get my bottom. See, it's just not the greatest picture. So I don't have that total bottom, but that's fine. I'll stitch it together. So simple. Come in, grab this, Control T, and T. I'm using a Mac. I'll do just start. I'll drop my pivot in here, and then I'll just kind of just get it as straight as I can, and get it as best as you can. Move it up, move it down, get it in there, and then we'll see it come together. As you put the next one in. And that's pretty good like that for now, and then I'll have this one here, next one I'll stitch them together. So that's it, that's as much as I want to see it. That's that roof line, I want to make sure that's as close as possible. I'll be doing this in Blender, bringing these in as images plain, and these will fit right in. So that's good. So what I'll do here, and then I'll come in, I'm going to turn this into a PNG so I can see everything. So I'll come in and just cut all this stuff out for now. Like that. Now it's got a different roof, but I'll do that later. The roof I'll do later. I don't have to go too. I don't do too much. What's up on top? It doesn't, because I'll fix that up. And I want to see kind of how this comes out, so I'll leave that on there for now, just to see how it comes out. And that's it down here and up. Tie it off. Invert your selection and delete. There. That's one. There you go. And then we'll do is I'll open this up here and I'll go to the next one. Just open this up like this. There you go. Open that up, and then I'll take the next one. I've got other ones up here you can see on my screenshots, and I'll just slowly build this whole line up. Give it one PNG image, and that'll be my block, and I'll fit that into Blender in a second. That'll be the next stage. Okay, so I'll show you the next one. If you got something out of the tutorial, please hit like, and even better, subscribe so you're notified as more are uploaded. And if you'd like to explore the finished project, click on the link in the description below.